Good morning, everybody. Happy Monday. I am taking today as a personal day to help my family out and also to get caught up on your grades because I know I owe you some important feedback. So I just wanted to show you that lesson 210 today is going to be asynchronous. So you can complete this whenever works best for you in your day today. The lesson slides are right here for 210. And they just remind you to read chapters 49 through 56, fill out your progress tracker, and then we're going to read an informational text because Natasha Ramsey, a fictional character who shows up in our reading this week, is based off some real life examples of police brutality in our community. And so I wanted you to have a chance to read about those and kind of reflect on them. So when you're finished with your reading today, please check out this attached article to our assignment. And then your mastery check will be to answer the questions right here. So you'll type where it says type here in red and turn this in. So I hope you have a wonderful day, and I really look forward to seeing you all tomorrow. Bye.